either I go commit to being bald, so it's like either I just go bald, like my dad, or I get a hair transplant. I'm 28 years old, and I thought I have a few more years that I should have hair. I have not enough hair for me to keep, I think, in my opinion. I've always wanted to have longer hair. Hello.
Hello.
Johnny.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I'm Dr. Zafer. Please have a seat. Your donor hair looks fine.
I'm quite nervous. I guess the most thing I'm nervous for is the after. Are you also gonna do any in the top here?
We will start from this line. Under the line, we will add some irregular zigzag for more natural result. We will work a high density. Okay. Also a little bit increased density this part. Increased density also the crown parts. Okay.
Yep. Looks good. I think sometimes you also take hairs from other parts.
Yes, from the beard also.
Beard, okay.
If the donor is not enough, we can extract from the beard to the patients.
How long have you been doing this?
I'm starting today.
First day?
Yeah, you're my first patient.
Oh no!
I want to learn with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
I am working as a hair transplant surgeon 11 years.
11?
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you okay with this plan?
Cool. Amazing. I trust you and I'm excited. Let's go. Let's do this. It's nice to have you guys here. It's company because I didn't bring someone, so you guys are my friends.